Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to talk about a marvel of engineering, a revolutionary machine that has transformed the agricultural industry. I am here to introduce the Claas Lexion 8900, the mighty harvester that has redefined efficiency, productivity, and precision in modern farming. In an era where food security and sustainability are paramount, the Claas Lexion 8900 has emerged as a game changer. With its cutting-edge technology, powerful performance, and unmatched capabilities, it has earned its place as the epitome of excellence in harvesting machinery. Let me take a moment to highlight some of the remarkable features that make the Claas Lexion 8900 stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, this incredible harvester boasts an unmatched harvesting capacity. Equipped with a state-of-the-art threshing system, it can efficiently separate the grain from the crop, minimizing losses and maximizing productivity. Its powerful engine ensures consistent performance even in the most demanding conditions, allowing farmers to cover vast fields with ease and speed. Another key feature of the Claas Lexion 8900 is its advanced precision technology. With the help of cutting-edge sensors, cameras, and software, this harvester can detect and analyze crop conditions in real time. This precision ensures farmers can make the most of their hard work and valuable resources. Furthermore, the Claas Lexion 8900 prioritizes operator comfort and convenience. Its ergonomic design, spacious cabin, and intuitive control system create a pleasant working environment, reducing fatigue and enhancing productivity. The harvester's sophisticated monitoring systems provide real-time data and diagnostics, empowering operators with valuable insights to make informed decisions on the go. In addition to its outstanding performance and comfort, the Claas Lexion 8900 is a sustainability champion. An integrated residue management system ensures minimal impact on the soil, promoting ecological balance and preserving precious natural resources. Its efficient fuel consumption and reduced emissions further contribute to a greener future, aligning with our global efforts towards environmental stewardship. Ladies and gentlemen, the Claas Lexion 8900 represent more than just a technological marvel. It embodies a vision for a brighter future where agriculture meets innovation and sustainability. This machine has revolutionized how we harvest crops and empowered farmers worldwide to meet the challenges of a rapidly changing world. As we look ahead, it is evident that the Claas Lexion 8900 will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the agricultural landscape. Its advanced features, unwavering performance, and commitment to sustainability make it an invaluable asset for farmers, enabling them to feed our growing population and cultivate a prosperous future. In conclusion, I invite you to witness the power, precision, and perfection of the Claas Lexion 8900. It is not just a harvester, but a symbol of progress and innovation that stands at the forefront of agricultural advancement. Together, let us embrace this incredible machine, and pave the way for a more sustainable and prosperous tomorrow. Thank you.